Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for all the love and the support you have given me, and it is for you all that I am making this video. Today's video is about fractures, its signs and symptoms. This video will help you to understand when a fracture has occurred so that you can rush to the doctor immediately after the fracture has occurred. Throughout my practice in life, I have seen many people who have come to me weeks or months after the fracture has occurred, and that has made the treatment of fracture very complicated. So friends, if you watch this video, I hope that this will not help you in detecting the fracture and that delay will not occur in your case. So friends, coming to the first sign, that is a popping sound. Whenever a bone breaks, a sound is produced. If it is a small bone, then a less sound is produced. The person or the injured person can feel it inside his body. If it is a large bone, then more sound is produced. The patient can even hear it, and the bystanders can also hear it. So whenever you feel that there is a sound inside your body after an injury has occurred, you can be pretty sure that a fracture has occurred inside your body. So coming to point number 2, that is pain. Whenever you have a fracture, there is a severe amount of pain. The bones, the surface of the bones, that is the periosteum, is lined richly by the nerves, and these nerves are very sensitive. So whenever a bone breaks or a fracture has occurred, the nerves around the bone are also torn, and those nerves send a high intensity pain signals to the brain. This helps the body to understand, or the brain to understand, that that part is broken and that part should not be moved, otherwise further damages can occur. So whenever if you have a severe amount of pain after a fracture has occurred, after an injury has occurred, suspect that there is a fracture. Now coming to point number 3, that is swelling. The bones are supplied richly by blood and blood vessels. So whenever there is a fracture, the blood inside the bone comes out and fills the muscular areas, the subcutaneous spaces, and thus there is a swelling. There is an immediate swelling after the fracture has occurred at the fracture site. Now here we have to understand a point, that when there is a fracture, the swelling is almost immediate. But there are cases when the swelling appears after 24 to 48 hours after the injury. In these cases, the chances of it being a fracture is less. It is most likely to be a soft tissue injury. So, swelling occurring immediately after an injury, suspect a fracture. Now, coming to the fourth and the final point, that is deformity. Whenever the bones break, there is a deformity, or the shape is lost. Bones form the framework or the structure of our body. So when the bone breaks apart, the area looks deformed or awkward. This can be easily identified if you compare it with the normal side. For example, compare the normal hand with the injured hand. Compare the normal leg with the injured leg. If the size or the shape doesn't match, that means there is obviously a fracture. So these were the 4 cardinal signs after a fracture. Hope you understood them. If you have any queries, you can ask it in the comment section. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you would like to hear such contents such subjects in future, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.